Hi guys! Nakakainis siya mag-film ka, tapos sabi may kagat ng lamok ako dito. Anyway, today's video is very exciting because as promised in my previous video, ito-try natin yung bagong release ng Squad Cosmetics, yung kanilang Serum Blush. So, ang chika is itong Serum Blush, glass bottle, 10 ml, may vitamin E, aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, light and sheer formula for that healthy glow. Okay, so pag binili mo, ayan na siya. Yan na yon. Meron lang siyang plastic seal. This is 199 pesos. 200 plus shipping fee. Pero alam nyo, maganda bumili sa Shopee kasi palaging may free shipping sa Shopee. Pag sa Lazada naman, alam mo yung kailangan mo pang i-activate, hanapin, ganyan-ganyan. Pero sa Shopee, sa mismong checkout, alam yun, clickable na dun. Ooh, 36 months ang shelf life. That's good. So, merong 11 shades, pero I just got one shade per category. For the contour, I got yung hazelnut. Ayun pala yung wand. I got hazelnut kasi yun daw yung parang may nakita kong cool tone or something. For contour, gusto ko talaga ng mga cool tone. For the pigment, I got yung red velvet. And then for highlight, I got glazed. Kasi feeling ko ito yung bagay sa skin tone ko. Oh, ha? They don't smell anything. Itong mga serum blushes, pwede daw siya sa eyes, sa cheeks, and sa lips. Ayan na naman tayo sa eyes, ha? Anyway, to complete the look, bumili na rin ako ng BB cream ng Squad Cosmetics. And this is the first time na itatry ko yung BB cream nila. And then I also got yung liquid eyeliner. This is what it looks like. Okay, so let's start with the base, of course. On this side, I'm going to use my fingers. So here is the difference of my face. Ito yung wala pang BB cream. Ito yung meron. Ang ganda ng finish ng BB cream, dai. So on this side, I'm going to use spongy. So my face is going to be uneven today kasi itong side na to, isa-set ko ng powder. Tingnan natin if the serum blush will look, you know, okay. Kahit nakaset na with the powder ang face o yung base. Gamit ko palang pang set dito is from Detail Cosmetics, yung kanilang loose powder. I love this powder. It is so nice. It sets well and it's gonna make you look like fresh. Ayan na, medyo mattified. Ito, really dewy. So, let's start with the contour hazelnut muna. Syempre, hindi natin i-apply diretso sa mukha natin dahil baka mamay matuyo nang wala sa oras. So, on this side, gagamitan ko ng mga tools like the brushes. And then on this side, just the fingers. So, for the contour, try muna natin sa eyelids natin. Now, let's try fingers. So I'm just gonna wait the eyes to set. So while waiting, I'm going to contour na the perimeters of my face. And then my left side, gagamitan ko lang ng fingers. Then I'm going to contour my nose. Now, let's go with the blush. This side, gagamitan ko ng whipped sponge. Other side is just fingers. Now, the highlight. On this side, clean side ng wet sponge. And then on the other side, fingers lang. Bago tayo mapunta sa lips, let me do my eyeliner first. Medyo Actually, hindi ko napupusuan yung eyeliner. I don't know if it's because of the base na yung eyeshadow, pero anyway, Sassy Lady Volume Curl for my mascara. Now for my lips, dahil meron pa ako natirang konti dito na pang-contour. Sige, mag-contour na rin tayo ng lips natin. Do you see the difference, guys? Ito yung may contour na, ito yung wala pa. So, para dun sa mga nagtatanong ng mga frenelings ko dyan, hindi ako nagpa-lip inject. Chinatsaga ko talaga ng makeup dye. Diba? May contour, wala. Now, the lippy. This is one layer ng red velvet. Parang gusto kong dagdagan yung aking highlight sa eyes.
Oh damn, I've been feeling something for you lately, and I am trying so hard to just stay cool. Oh man, I think I might be going crazy, 'cause all I really want is to be with you.
Okay, so this is the finished look. Anyway, bago tayo mapunta sa serum blush, I would just like to say na I love this BB cream. It is affordable, pero ang ganda nung finish and buildable siya. As you can see, hindi nyo na masyadong pansin yung kagat ng lamok. Oo, no? So, I like the finish and the coverage of this BB cream. And it's so affordable. So, yeah, highly recommend itong BB cream. It's my first time to use, and I fell in love. Anyway, yung eyeliner, medyo pag-iisipan ko pa siya. Maybe I'll try it with nothing on my eyelids, o di naman kaya with powder eyeshadows. Pero with the serum blush on my eyelids, medyo hindi maganda yung application ng eyeliner na ite. Let me know if you tried this one. Kung na-try mo na, how was it? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Okay, so mapunta na nga tayo sa serum blush. Right off the bat, I may have to say that I like it. Unahin natin as eyeshadows. In fairness, it is nice. The finish and the application, very easy to glide, very easy to apply. Compared dun sa cream pencils ng Detail Cosmetics, I like the serum blush better sa eyelids. Okay? Pero okay yung cream pencils ng Detail Cosmetics sa cheeks, and then sa lips, wala akong problema. This serum blush for the eyelids is quite nice. This is something really for everyday eyeshadow, hindi yung pang-event na eyeshadow. Kasi yun dahil panghulasan na kailangan mo doon. I don't think hindi siya like yung pang super duper hulasan, like buong gabing event na pawisan and everything. O di naman kaya yung paglalarga ka sa labas under the sun. By the end of the day, mababawasan at mababawasan yung tapang niya. Pero as a blush, I love it. It looks really natural. Lalo na itong red velvet, I really love it. On the lips, you guys, it's going to make your lips look parang natural lips mo, pero alam mo yon, mas pigmented na lips mo and mas moisturized looking, di ba? I know, may slight sheen. I really love it. Pero sa unang apply, it's going to be like a lip gloss. Para lang siyang nakapatong sa labi mo, alam mo yon. It will take time bago siya mag-set ng ganito na parang kala mo your lips but better. But I do recommend itong red velvet. So, syempre, tingnan mo din kung sa skin tone magbabagay, pero I think this will suit any skin tone. So, yeah, go get the red velvet. It's really nice for the cheeks and for the lips. Ngayon, etong hazelnut for contour, I also like it, lalo na dito sa area na to. It's cool enough for my jawline, pero it's still too warm for my nose contour. Hindi ko siya makapalan, like hindi ko siya, like, alam mo yun, yung plakadong contour on my nose like I usually do, kasi medyo too warm pa siya for my nose. Okay naman siya for me. Hindi siya phenomenal, pero yeah, papasa siyang pang contour. Pero syempre, this suits my skin tone. I'm pretty sure iba-iba tayo. Now for the highlight. I mean, dye. Glazed is amazing. I'm not sure, I can't speak for the other shades, pero I'm glad kinuha ko si Glazed. Kasi ayan no, para lang siyang, well, for my skin tone ha, parang lang healthy yung skin ko. And this reminded me of face gloss ng Sunny's Face. It's quite similar, not exactly, pero parang magka-family sila. Pero mas affordable to. Gustong-gusto ko yung face gloss ng ng Sunny's Face. So to find a mas affordable look-alike dupe or something like that, amazing. So for me, overall, you guys, effect na effect sa akin itong Serum blush because it's affordable, multi-use. But I don't think you should get all the shades, all the 11 shades. Pag-aralan mo yung skin tone mo, ano yung mga usually na bagay sa'yo, at yun lang yung bilhin mo. Lalo na sa mga pigments for the blush, may tendency kasi yan na it looks different on the bottle, pero pag nilagay mo na sa cheeks mo, parang pare-parehas lang silang, rosy cheeks and everything. Well, magkakatalo siguro sa lips. Pero so far, I'm super happy na talaga dun sa mga shades na nakuha ko. I will definitely use them every day. Longevity nga pala. As a blush, I think it's going to stay for a very long time. For eyeshadows, depends on your eyelids. If it's oily, asahan mo, mas mabilis siyang mag-fade away. For the lips, meron siyang shade, nabawasan, kinis ko lang yung back of my hand. So yeah, it's not gonna last forever on your lips. Definitely. But yeah, I guess that's all I have to say. Sana kahit ito lang yung mga shades na kinuha ko, nabigyan ko kayo ng idea if it's good or not, if you're gonna like it or not, if it's within your preference or not. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!